The Jeep Wrangler has limited trunk space and not much storage. Clutter is always an issue. Introducing our storage and camping system. Let's show you how to set it up. First, remove the original floor. Unclip the standard rings and unscrew them. If rails are installed, remove them. Take out both parts. Let's start assembling the system. Here we showcase the camping kit. If you don't need it, you can buy just the drawer. Start with parts labeled L. Grab the main support and attach the rear supports. Align the holes and screw them in. Next, attach the right support in the same way. Get the side supports. The one labeled WF goes on the left, the one with the picture on the right. Gently insert the frame into the trunk and position it evenly. Using the original screws, fix the side supports in place. Grab the slide-out drawer, press the blue handles down, and slide it in straight. Don't force it. If it doesn't fit, pull it out and try again. Make sure the locks work smoothly. This design is super sturdy. It can hold a person's weight when open. Access to the original storage is available when the drawer is fully open. Place the top and side lids. Side lids have handy grip holes. Every part fits precisely. The kit includes a net. Attach it to the middle lid as needed, depending on load height. The drawer can fully extend. For quick access, just open the lid. We've added a special tab allowing the middle lid to slide with the drawer. Handy when securing cargo or reaching deep inside. You can also remove the middle lid entirely. Now, we're installing the countertop, sink, and faucet. There's space for a sink with a drain and a faucet. These items are part of the camper kit and are sold separately from the drawer. The faucet has its own battery and charges via USB. There are 2 positions, choose what suits you. You can also flip the countertop based on your preference. A drain is provided for each sink position. If you don't need a sink, just cover the countertop with a plug. The drawer and countertop can be accessed regardless of the middle lid's presence. Side lids are easy to open and close. They also offer storage space. We designed it to allow access to the jack compartment. It's a bit tricky, but doable. Now, we're showing the sleeping platforms. They come with the camper kit and can be stored underneath. Move both front seats forward, including the backrests. Fold the rear seats down. Insert the special supports, 4 in total. Remove the side and middle lids. Insert pegs into the slots. Place the long support near the seats. This creates a flat sleeping surface. Inside, there's ample space for two and it's cozy. The platforms are super sturdy. Now, we are making not 2, but 3 platforms for easier transportation and storage. They are installed in the same way. The length from the backrest to the door is 75 inches. The height is almost 7. The depth of the drawer is almost 6. The width is 26.5, and the length is 30.25. The height from the ceiling to the lids is 35. The width is 45 at its narrowest part and 56 at its widest. We've also made special cutouts for easy door pocket access. Convenient for grabbing water, phones, etc. Removing the platforms is a breeze. Setup takes 5 minutes. Now, organize all our gear inside our system. Super handy. For quick access, just lift the lid. Using our magic tab, you can slide the entire middle lid out. It's all lacquered and waterproof. All links are in the description. Wheelfeel's cargo drawers and camper kits are made in the United States.